calls to order legislative session. Agenda item number 17, comments and input from attending citizens. Ms. Dixon, do we have anyone signed up?
Yes, Mr. President, we have 4 this evening.
Okay.
Veronica Castley, followed by Fawn Palmer.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. I'm Fawn Palmer of Churchville and Harford County resident, of course. And so I have also worked at Anita Sea Light Estuary as a park naturalist, and have had over 42 years different park ranger, park naturalist, estuarine educator, Chesapeake Bay Foundation, National Park Service jobs. My specialty is botany and also the wetlands and, of course, estuaries, as I said. So I'm coming tonight to 2 points, and I'm looking at my time. Abingdon Woods is swampy. It's downslope from the Bel Air and Harford County's development zone. This water-absorbing, pollution-filtering mature woodlands lies at the bottom of the Winters Run, Ha-Ha Branch watershed just above Anita Sea Light Estuary Center, Light Woods, and nears Otter Point Creek Reserve. That's National Estuarine Research and Reserve. That's a federal designation. And there are 3 here in the state of these NEARS sites. A population of spongy arrowhead, Sagittaria spatulata, is growing in the freshwater tidal mudflats in the Ha-Ha Branch, where it empties into Otter Point Creek. This species is rated S2 in the Maryland list of rare, threatened, and endangered plants of Maryland, also for Harford County. If you just Google Harford County, you'll see that also. And this means it is imperiled state rare, at high risk of extinction. And of course, extinction is forever. Extirpation means locally extinct. For instance, beavers were locally extinct or extirpated in Maryland. But now, of course, we have a lot of beavers. But in any case, due to the restricted range, a few populations or occurrences, steep decline, severe threats, and so typically there are only 6 to 20 populations in the entire state to be S2. How many rare or imperiled species associated with the Harford County coastal plain marshes and upstream swamps, of which Abingdon Business Park threatens to develop, the Abingdon Forest, will be affected? And an environmental impact report needs to be required by this council, by you folks. Do you know? We've had a wetlands report, we've had a forest delineation, but just downstream is this plant. So that's my first point. My second point is that woods can sequester, I'll go right to the point, 40,825,000 pounds of carbon is currently held in that forest. And I would put it to you, Maryland is going to a 50% renewable energy by 2030. That could be a carbon bank for this county. And that's called ecological services. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Aravinda Pillalamari, followed by Tracy Waite.
Anyway, the whole idea of this Abingdon Woods Business Park is ridiculous.